Welcome guys, welcome back to ClayDesk. My name is Syed and today I'm going to talk about a very exciting topic, which is artificial intelligence governance and how does it work. So AI governance simply refers to the guardrails that ensure that AI tools and systems remain safe and ethical. Now it establishes the frameworks, rules, and standards that simply direct AI research, development, and application to ensure safety, fairness, and respect for human rights. Now, AI governance also encompasses oversight mechanisms that address, for example, risks like bias, privacy, infringement, and misuse while fostering at the same time innovation and trust. So, an ethical AI centered approach to AI governance requires the involvement of a wide range of stakeholders, including AI developers, users, policymakers, ethicists, for example, and ensuring that AI related systems are developed and used to align with society values. Now, AI governance addresses the inherent flaws arising from the human element in AI creation and maintenance. Since AI is a product of highly engineered code and machine learning created by people, it is certainly susceptible to human biases and errors. Governance provides a structured approach to mitigate these risks, ensuring that machine learning algorithms are monitored, evaluated, and updated to prevent flawed or harmful decisions. So AI solutions must be developed and used responsibly and ethically. Now, what that means is simply that addressing the risks associated with AI, bias, discrimination, and harm to individuals. Now, the governance addresses these risks through sound AI policy, regulation, data governance, and well-trained and maintained data sets. Governance also aims to establish the necessary oversight to align AI behaviors with ethical standards and societal expectations, at the same time safeguarding against potential adverse impacts. So, why is AI governance so important? Well, AI governance is essentially for reaching a state of compliance, trust, and efficiency in developing and applying AI technologies. Now, with AI's increasing integration into organizational and governmental operations, its potential for negative impact has certainly become more visible. High-profile missteps, like, for example, the Tay chatbot incident, right? And of course, where the Microsoft AI chatbot learned toxic behavior from public interactions on social media. And then the Compass, for example, software bias sentencing decisions, right, have highlighted the need for sound governance to prevent harm and maintain public trust. Now, these examples that I've just talked about show that AI can cause significant social and ethical harm without proper oversight, emphasizing the importance of governance in managing the risks associated with advanced AI. By providing guidelines and frameworks, AI governance aims to balance technological innovation with safety, ensuring at the same time AI systems do not violate human dignity or rights. Now, transparent decision making and explainability are critical for ensuring AI systems are used responsibly. And these systems make decisions all the time, from deciding which ads to show to determining whether to approve a loan. It is essential to understand how AI systems make decisions, to hold them accountable for their decisions, and ensure that they make them fairly and ethically. Moreover, AI governance is not just about ensuring one-time compliance, by the way. It's also about sustaining ethical standards over time. So AI models can drift, leading to output quality and reliability changes. And the current trends, by the way, in governance are moving beyond mere legal compliance towards ensuring that AI's social responsibility, thereby safeguarding against financial, legal, and reputational damage while promoting the responsible growth of technology. Let me give you some examples of AI governance. So, the examples of AI governance simply encompasses a range of policies, frameworks, and practices that organizations and governments implement to ensure the responsible use of AI technologies. Now, these examples simply demonstrate how AI governance happens in different contexts, right? For example, the GDPR, which is the General Data Protection Regulation, an example of AI governance, particularly in the context of personal data protection and privacy. While the GDPR is not exclusively focused on AI, many of its provisions are highly relevant to AI systems, especially those that process the personal data of individuals within the European Union. Now, next is, for example, the Organization of Economic Cooperation and Development, the OECD, the AI principles adopted by over 40 countries emphasize responsible stewardship of trustworthy AI, including transparency, fairness, and accountability in AI systems. The Corporate AI Ethics Board, for example, many companies have established ethic boards or committees to oversee AI initiatives. And what this does is ensuring they align with ethical standards and societal values. For example, IBM, has launched an AI Ethics Council to review new AI products and services and ensure they align with the AI principles. Now, who oversees responsible AI governance, right? So, for example, in an enterprise level organization, the CEO and senior leadership are ultimately responsible for ensuring their organization applies sound AI decisions or governance through the AI lifecycle. Legal and general counsel are critical in assessing and mitigating legal risks, ensuring AI applications comply with relevant laws and regulations. Audit teams, by the way, are essential for validating the data integrity of AI systems and confirming that the systems operate as intended without introducing errors or biases. And the CFO oversees the financial implication, managing the costs associated with AI initiatives and mitigating any financial risks. However, the responsibility of AI governance does not rest with a single individual or department. It is a collective responsibility where every leader must prioritize accountability and ensure that AI systems are used responsibly and ethically across the organization, right? So the CEO, for example, and the senior leadership are all responsible for setting the overall tone and culture of the organization. While prioritizing accountable AI governance, it simply sends all employees a clear message, and everyone must use AI responsibly and ethically. The CEO and other senior leadership, for example, can also invest in employee AI governance training, actively develop internal policies and procedures, and create a culture of open communication and collaboration. So let's also talk about, which is important, I'm going to talk about the principles of responsible AI governance. So AI governance is essential for maintaining rapid advancements in AI technology, particularly with the emergence of generative AI. And generative AI, by the way, which includes technologies capable of creating new content and solutions such as text, images, code, and has vast potential across many uses, from enhancing and creative processes in design and media to automating tasks in software development. Generative AI is transforming how industries operate. At the same time, with this broad applicability comes the need for robust AI governance. So the principles of AI governance essentially first is empathy. So organizations should understand and societal implications of AI, not just the technological and financial aspects, right? They need to anticipate and address the impact of AI on all stakeholders. So second one, by the way, the principle is bias control. It is essential, for example, to rigorously examine training data to prevent embedding real-world biases into AI algorithms, ensuring fair and unbiased decisions. The third principle is transparency. There must be clarity and openness in how AI algorithms operate and make decisions, with organizations ready to explain the logic and reasoning behind AI-driven outcomes. And finally, we have the fourth principle, which is accountability. So organizations should proactively set and adhere to high standards to manage the significant changes that AI can bring, maintaining responsibility for AI impacts. So there you go. I wanted to talk about what is AI governance, how does it work, the principles, and of course, all that you need to know about AI, artificial intelligence itself, and of course, the generative AI as well. Let me know what you think. Comment down below. If you like this video, like this content, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. My name is Syed. I'll see you next time.